Where'd my toy go?
Ziggy's like, where'd he go? I know, Ziggy can't find him because he's hiding.
I think Ziggy's happy that he has someone that could like punch each other.
Butter's like, I'm gonna go check this out.
You okay? Do you want to play?
Way to balance, Butters.
Oh,
Did he get it?
oh, no.
Butter's like, wait, hey, I'm just coming down to look.
Oh.
Look at, and Ziggy's like, what? What's going on now? Is he still there? I'm coming over.
Is that him? No.
Oh, Butters is gonna get him from the top. Where's the other door, Butters?
Where you going, Butters?
His butt was in. Because Ziggy's like, I can roll right off here. Be right down.
He slipped the cat was like, ah.
The cat's not even doing anything. It's just Butters batting at him.
Dad, do you want me to hold it over here?
He can probably see the other kitten in there. Oh, the other kitten shifted.
I've got a good view, I think.
He's right there.
Ziggy's just on top.
What's going on? He says. What's going on? Ooh, Black Kitty hissed?
Blackity hissed. Blackity, this is not fun anymore.
Hey, bro, come on down.
What? I've never saw that before. Are you sure it's able to hold Butters?
No, I'm not.
Come up and play with me, brother. Brother. Fine. Oh, oh. Butters is starting things.